What to do before an earthquake. Prepare first aid kits, flashlights, extra batteries, whistle, just in case if you need to call out on anyone for help. Organize and make an earthquake plan with your family. Secure heavy things in your house that may fall on you.
If you are ever near a table, you can always do a duck, cover, and hold. Ever about to leave a building during an earthquake, grab anything solid and put it above your head to cover anything.
The things you need to do before an incoming typhoon is to always make sure to buy the essential things that you and your family needs. Because going out of your house during typhoon is definitely not an option to choose. Prepare flashlights, batteries, and power banks just in case electricity cuts off. Store food that you think will last you and your family until the typhoon passes. And always remember to stay indoors. And also remember to keep you and your family up to date.
Lalo pang lalakas ang hangin at ang pag-ulan. Alamin po natin ang latest